Welcome back, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and today I am back with a special video that might become a series. Recently I joined a Facebook group, I believe it's called YouTube Crafters, and it was for people who were needing some subscribers or watch minutes for the new YouTube qualifications or requirements for monetization. Christine Meyer is one of the members of that Facebook group, and she thought it might be a fun idea for some of us crafty YouTubers to get together who like to make cards and do a little video hop that was just cards. So she created another Facebook channel called Just Cards Video Hop, and we are all going to post a video today on the 28th. And if it goes well and everyone seems to like it, it might become a monthly video hop. So I was so excited. Now, if we do continue to do it for future months, we'll have a theme. And the theme for this month was masculine cards. I am not super good with masculine cards. And when I usually think of masculine, I kind of think clean and simple, which is my traditional kind of style I go for, but I'm thinking really clean and simple. And years ago, I pinned a card on Pinterest, and it was actually a teaching card, and it was kind of based after the Apple, or like Apple, the brand, like the iPhone, iPad. It was kind of based after their logo and their fonts and stuff and the look. It is by Lime Doodle Design, and I will link that blog post below so you can go check it out. But I thought I would try to keep that same feel going, but make it a Valentine's Day card. While this video is being posted on February 28th, I did actually make this card before Valentine's Day, and I had my husband in mind. Although he is an Android user, I am an iPhone user, so I thought this would be okay. I think the most time-consuming part of this whole project is going to be me yapping on camera and probably the setup that I got ready. Before I came to my craft room, I did go ahead and get my card base ready. So I have two different card possibilities. I don't know yet which I'll use, but I have I love with L-U-V and I love with the regular spelling of the word love. And then for the inside, the I-L-U-V would have just a U, and the I-L-O-V-E will have Y-O-U period. Now, I am almost 41, so I don't know that I should be using text speak in a card, but I thought I'd go ahead and try them both here today, and maybe you can give me your opinion at the end which one you prefer. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be cutting my printed cardstock to 4 1/4 inches wide by 11 inches tall. And when I go to fold it, it will be a top fold card. What I'm going to do first is emboss a circle just right centered in the card, left to right, right above the words. I went ahead and folded it now just so I knew where my score line was or my fold line was, but I will open the cards back up to emboss them. I'm going to be using some Scotch removable tape to hold my die in place to run it through my Cuttlebug. And again, this I will just be embossing the shape in there. I will not be cutting it out. I'm going to be using my Cuttlebug for my embossing, and I'll explain my plates for you. You're of course going to have to use your big thick white one, and then I cut a piece of chipboard to go on top of that. I put down one of my B plates, and then I will put my card front down face, like the die is cutting up, but my card is face down. My little rubber embossing mat goes on top of that, and finally another B plate. Then you'll see there, I just have a nice little frame. Okay, I'll go ahead and do that with the other card now. And there I have that same embossed circle. Now, while I have my Cuttlebug out, I'm going to go ahead and die cut my hearts for the card. I'm going to cut those from the same white cardstock that I used for my card base. I do have to change my plate slightly for this, of course. And I'm going to cut this heart and see if I think the size is right, or if I'm going to need to get the larger heart. Now, all I need to do to finish these is I'm going to be adhering my hearts to the center of the circle with some foam dots. And I think I will go ahead and round the corners. And then that just kind of reminds me of the rounded corners on an iPhone. And there you have both cards. Super quick and easy. Again, the most difficult part, or what took the longest, it wasn't even difficult, was getting the text set up and getting it printed correctly. I kept printing it the wrong way so it wasn't double-siding correctly. Why don't you leave in the comments below which card you prefer? Just write hashtag LOVE if you prefer the one with the correct spelling, or hashtag LUV if you prefer the one with more of the text kind of talk. And I think, again, just simple, quick and easy masculine card, and I hope my husband enjoys that. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and that's also going to let me know if you would like to see a continued series of this, if you would like us to come back and share more cards that we make with you. If you are already a subscriber or regular viewer, thank you for stopping back by today and watching my video. If you're new to my channel, I hope that you'll be inspired to hit the subscribe button below. I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.